Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my latest short story box to share with you. Yep, you can tell I peeked inside. I have not tried anything on yet. Short Story is a styling service for Petite. I believe it's $25. You get 5 items. Kind of works the same way as some of the other style subscription boxes. The only difference is you do send it back in this box, so anything that you're not keeping goes right back in here. And then you fill out your review by a piece of paper that they send you to review your items. And what else? There's no like buy all discount for Short Story. I'm surprised I got this one so quickly because I feel like I just had one last month. Normally it takes them a little bit longer to ship out, but I'm not complaining. I'm excited to show you what's inside and try things on. I think there's some promising pieces, so let's get right to the try and I'll be right back. Okay, I think we're off to a good start with this first top. For some reason, I'm so drawn to it. This is by Caslon. They're calling this the Petite Weekender Stitch Tank in the color Summer White. Extra large petite, $32.24. It is 55% linen and 45% rayon. There's something about it, and it's pretty simple. I mean, I just want to show you the color of the, see how I'm coming closer, you can see the color of the stripes. It's almost like a denim kind of chambray color. How cute. And I love the unfinished hem of the neckline and of the armholes, and bonus, the armholes fit. They're not too big. 2 thumbs up. Yeah, I think the length is really nice. It's very comfortable. The material feels great. It's a good like summer top. I have it on with some denim jeans that I already own. So I'd probably wear it like this with maybe some cute flats or some cute wedges. I'm also on the hunt for some denim shorts. And so I think it would look really cute with some denim shorts for the summer. Yeah, I really think this is a cute top. What do you think? There's something about it that I'm just really drawn to. Yeah, I'm keeping this top. And I'm surprised. Maybe, you know, I feel like linen and rayon are both materials that wrinkle very easily. They're both fabrics that I really like. I know some people don't like rayon because it wrinkles easily. I don't mind. I like to iron. I know, call me crazy. I don't mind ironing. And I know it gets wrinkled throughout the day, but I really don't mind rayon. Yeah. And I have some of that fabric like spray that I carry, I know, and it works. So yeah, I think this is a keeper. Oh, I didn't show you the back of it. Hang on one second. I just get so excited about it that I just keep talking. So yeah, this is mine. This is staying with me. All right, let's move on to the next piece. Okay, next top is by the brand Tahari. This is the Petite Romance Woven Blouse in the color Punch. Extra large petite, $42.23, 100% polyester. This top is not really for me. I love the color of this blouse. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It's a great spring, summer top or color. It does have the cute ruffle like kind of detail around the whole neckline. I do like the split V neckline, but look at it's pulling from the shoulder area. Like it kind of feels a little tight throughout my chest area. Sometimes with polyester tops that, or any actually fabric that doesn't have any stretch, I usually have to size up. And so I just don't know if I care for the actual cut either. Like even if I sized or asked if I could size up, I don't know if I care for the cut of this blouse for me. It just kind of feels like it would still look boxy because the shoulders kind of feel boxy to me. I mean, you can even tell they have some room. It almost has a little bit of a puff sleeve. And that doesn't work well for me because my shoulders are broad as it is. So yeah, I don't know. I don't like that added bulk look. You know what I mean? And then you can see it pulling down. Yeah. But the sleeves are cute. They have kind of a little flare to the sleeve. So I think that's really cute. If you can pull off this cut of a top, and some people can, this would be a nice work blouse. But yeah, it's just not, it's not the right cut for me, and the fit is a little bit off too. But I just love the color. I think the color is gorgeous. I'll still show you the back of it so you can see what it looks like. And it actually is, it's polyester that is not too thick. Some polyesters are very thick. This one does not feel thick, so this could, like, I personally would wear this still. If I liked the cut of this and I liked the fit, I could wear this to work and it wouldn't bother me in the summertime, but yeah. All right, let's move on. Actually, I think I have a denim jacket that I'm gonna put on with this to show you, so hang on one second. Okay, so here's the denim jacket. Now this is by Cut from the Cloth. This is the petite white denim jacket. I forgot, I normally don't tell you And I should. The material of my denim pieces, 98% cotton and 2% spandex. They're calling this white heat. It's in an extra large petite, $56.43. So I think it's really cute. Now, you know I don't wear denim jackets too much, but I've kind of been drawn to them lately. I picked up a white one from, oh my gosh, help me out, Belk. I think that's where I picked it up from, on sale. And I picked up another one from my trunk club recently, and this one's cute. It's a cropped denim jacket, and I like it. I just don't know if I love it. I just don't know if I need it. I don't need it. I really don't. I don't need two white denim. It's a little snug, but I don't know. What do you think? I like the button detail. I think the button detail is nice all the way down. The pockets, the sleeve length is absolutely perfect. I just don't need another one. I really don't, but you know, I like this. I do. Let me show you the back of it. Lexi's watching me like, do you see her looking at me like, you don't need another denim jacket. We get so many packages here every day. Please, you don't need another one. That's probably what's coming out of her mouth or going through her head. All right, yeah, so I think I'm gonna pass on this, but it is really cute. I do kind of like the crop. Maybe I do need a cropped one. I don't know. I think it's throwing me off because I'm not a fan of the fit of this pink shirt. Maybe I'll try it on with something else. All right, let me move on to the next piece. I'll be right back. Okay, so you're kind of getting a mini sneak peek from my Stitch Fix box that's here too. I just thought that this top would look so pretty with these pants. These pants are what we're talking about now. So these are the Democracy Petite Core Tech Ankle Skimmers in the color Succulent. How pretty is this color? They are $58.43. I totally forgot to get the material, and I just told you I need to be better about giving you the material of the denim. I'll find it for you. I love this color. I love Democracy. They are more of a high-waisted pant. I like them. I really do. I think they're fun for spring and summer. They came to me cuffed, but I think I could probably even uncuff them and wear them with wedges or, you know, heeled sandals. Yeah, I really like this. I really like these pants. I think they're a great length. You know, they're a little bit uneven. They came like that. Maybe I should try to fix them. But yeah, I really do like the color. I think I'm gonna keep these. What do you think? I don't own any pants this color, and I need to incorporate more colored bottoms into my wardrobe. And I actually think that this Stitch Fix top, no, I just got this box. I think doesn't it go nicely? I'll be trying to, I think I'm gonna tape that video next. Yeah, I think we have a winner with these pants. Okay, I have one more thing to show you, so hang on, I'll be right back and we'll go over that item. Okay, so unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to show you this last dress. It's just, I can't get it unzipped so I can put it on. I can get it partially unzipped, but then it gets stuck and I keep pulling and I don't wanna break it. So it's getting stuck, oh, that's the front of the dress. It's getting stuck in the back. Clearly where the zipper is, right? And I keep going back to the front of the dress. It keeps twirling on me. So it's getting stuck. There's like some ruching detail there. See, it gets stuck and I can't, I tried to slip it on over my head too, and I just need a little bit more room because it zips down further and I just can't, yeah, I can't get it. And I don't want to break it in case I'm not going to keep it. So let me just talk about it, and I will tell them in my note that I couldn't get the zipper down. So this is by Vince Camuto. This is the Petite Lorelai printed midi dress in the color magenta, and it's $42.27. It's really pretty. This looks more like a red to me. This doesn't look like magenta to me. It could just be me. It has a V neckline. It looks like it'd be very low, and it has short sleeves, and it has like a ruching detail. See that in the waistline? So I think it'd be pretty. Yeah, bummer that I can't try it on, huh? Oh, you can't see the whole thing. There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna send it back. I thought this was a pretty good box, and there's two things that I am definitely keeping in this box. Can you tell which ones they were by how excited I was? So I'm gonna keep this Caslon top. I thought it was so cute. I just love it. It's so unique for me. Bonus that the armholes fit. A lot of you agree with me on that. A lot of you have commented in some of my videos that armholes, like, what's up with the armholes, right? Sometimes they're so huge. It's not a good look if they're too big, right? And then I'm gonna keep these pants. I think the color is so pretty and I'm happy to add them to my wardrobe. And the fact that they fit me perfectly across the waist, through the legs, lengthwise, I think that's a sign I gotta keep them. So yeah, these are gonna stay with me. See the back of them too have pockets. I don't think I showed you that. But yeah, so I thought I'm gonna keep those two pieces and I think I have a little bit of credit. So thank you if you use my link and let me know if you liked your short story box. I have pretty good luck with them, especially for pants. I think I have a couple of pairs of Democracy pants that I've kept from them. I've kept a couple of tops from them. So I've had pretty good luck with them and the prices are not bad. So I'm happy with my two new pieces for my, actually I could probably wear these together. What do you think? Maybe with my new Tom's sandals. That might be a fun look. Some fun statement earrings. All right, so thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I hope you're all having some wonderful weather like we've been having and you're getting out and enjoying it safely. So I'll see you in my next video because I've got a lot to tape today. So I will see you very soon.